Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how I make my nighttime face cream. So let's get started. I've already measured 4 heaping teaspoons of organic coconut oil into my bowl. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Golden Jojoba oil. This is a natural moisturizer for your skin. Gonna put in a few drops of vitamin E oil. Now I'm going to add my Frankincense Essential oil. It's great for skin tone. Now I'm going to put in the Lavender Essential oil. About 15 drops of lavender oil. And now we're gonna mix it away. It's so easy to make, and it leaves your skin feeling so silky soft. It smells amazing, it feels amazing, and it's so great for your skin. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and you'll give me a thumbs up. If you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Bye.